Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on my garden. It's the off season now, but you can see here the garden grew really well this last year, but it's constantly a pain to have to mow around and weed whack around my garden beds. So today I'm going to be installing a border around my garden and then filling the middle with gravel so that I don't have to mow that anymore. So if you guys stick around, I'll show you how I do that, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be digging a ditch around the edge of my garden. This is to put the edging into that will contain the gravel and keep it from spreading out into the grass and wasting all the gravel. Now I've already started spreading some of the gravel in the middle of the garden. I've laid down plastic first so that it covers up the grass and the weeds won't grow up through the gravel. Now before I finish filling up the middle, I need to put in the border around the outside. Now that I have a ditch dug about 3 inches all the way around the border on this side, I'm going to start installing the edging. Now this edging is really easy to find. Almost any garden center will have something like this or the same exact kind. This needs to be installed about an inch above the ground level. That will hold in the gravel from mixing in with the grass and give you a nice clean spot to weed whack around or mow around. So the mower won't hit this. It's low enough that it won't get chopped up with the blades, and you can easily mow around this garden. Now I'm going to start filling in some dirt around it just to hold it in place, and then after that I will lay down plastic on top of the grass, and then I can start piling up the gravel on top of that and finishing it off. Now the gravel that I'm using is crushed rock. It has a lot of the sand and particles that are left over from when they crushed the rock down into gravel. This will give it a really sandy, dirty texture until it rains a couple times, and then the sand will kind of settle down at the bottom and pack in really nicely as the gravel will stay on the surface and clean up. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, think about hitting that subscribe button down below. That will help you notice more of my videos when I upload them. I upload one just about every week on Saturday, so hit that subscribe button and it'll be a lot easier to know when I have new content for you. So we're just about finished up for today, and I need to finish spreading the dirt around the border of the garden as well as finish off the gravel on the inside. Now this is a shot a couple weeks later after it's rained a few times. The gravel has started to settle and the sand worked its way down to the bottom, and it showed a few low spots where the gravel wasn't as thick, so I'm going to go back in, spread a little bit more gravel, and then it should be all finished up. Hey, don't forget to check out some more of my videos. Up in the top right corner, you can click on that link and it'll show you a bunch of other videos that I think you would like. Alright guys, that finishes up our video for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is going to look really nice once the grass starts growing up around it and the garden's growing really well this summer. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Also hit that bell icon if you want YouTube to notify you when I upload a new video. And if you like this video, hit that like button down below and help me out. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.